Hey guys, welcome back to my channel or welcome if you're new here.
One, two, three, let's go!
My name is Deepika and I'm a Wiscom student studying at Madras Christian College, Chennai. So Presidency College UG admissions have started. So in this video, I will tell you guys how to fill the application form and the admission process of Presidency College. So without wasting time, let's just start the video. So now you can see the Presidency College website on the screen. So this is the college official website. So you can see the flash news here, UG admission 2021 online application. So when you click on this, you will see a notice which is in Tamil. So Tamilians only can understand what is written here. So I will also translate this into English for those who don't understand Tamil. So you can see the admission to undergraduate courses 2021 to 2022. Applicants for undergraduate first year student admission 2021 to 2022 in 143 government arts and science colleges in Tamil Nadu can be registered at www. So as Presidency College is a government college, so they don't release their application form on their website. So you have to go to these links and then you have to apply there. And you have to choose your college, Presidency College. So then students who are unable to apply online can apply through College Admission Facilitation Center. If you are facing any problem while filling the online registration, so you can go to the AFC. A list of these centers is published at the above website address. So they have given the application fees here. So application fees is 48 rupees plus registration fees which is 2 rupees. Then for application for SC/ST, there is no charge for SC/ST. So application is free for them and they have to pay only the registration fees which is 2. So next, applicants can apply the application fee and registration fee online through debit card, credit card, net banking. So you can apply by these modes. Students who are unable to pay online can also pay by the bank draft received on or after 26/7. So if you are unable to pay online, so you can pay by the bank draft. They have given the name here and the address at the college admission help centers. So the last date to register through online is 10 August. So they already started but the website was not working, so I couldn't able to update you guys, but we still have time, then apply after this video. So this was the official notice by the Presidency College. So now let's fill the application form. So all you need to do is you just have to go to this website which is tngasa.org or .in. So you will see this page. So here you can see the government of Tamil Nadu and you can see the instructions in Tamil, instructions in English. So I'm not going to cover the instructions in this video because then the video will be so long. You can read the instructions by clicking on that and all your doubts will be clear by that. So list of colleges. So this is the list and the first one is the Presidency Autonomous Chennai. So first check your college always. So these steps to apply online is: first is candidate registration, second is application form filling, third is colleges and course selection, fourth is payment of application fee, fifth is application download and print. So these are just the common 5 steps. So first you have to register yourself. So you can see the new registration here. So when you click on that, you will see this. They have given both in English and in Tamil. So these are some of the general instructions before applying. First, you must have to read these. Then click on the I have read and agree to terms and conditions. When you click on the submit button, first you have to enter your name, then your email ID, then you have to create a password, then your mobile number. So let me quickly register behind the camera. So after that, you have to enter the OTP. So after entering the OTP, you have to click on the submit button, then you will see your application number. Take screenshot of that, then click on the login. So you can see this page. So for login, you have to enter your registered email ID and your password which you created just now. So let me quickly log in. So then you have to click on the sign in. So you will see the dashboard. You have completed the first step which is registration. Then your second step is application. So now you have to fill your general basic details. You can see your application number and your name will be visible here. Then you have to enter your father's name, Then you have to enter your gender, then date of birth. Your email ID will be visible here. Your mobile number will be visible here. Then you have to enter your alternate number. Then your nationality, state, district, Aadhaar card number, which is also optional, then your religion, and then your community, then your caste name. So for OC you don't have to give your caste name and caste code. So then your address for communication. Then when you click on continue, you will see special reservation information like differently abled. Select disabilities. If yes, then select disabilities. Mention percentage of disability. Eminent sports person. If yes, then level of participation. Child of ex-serviceman. Tamil origin from Andaman and Nicobar. Then you have to click on the continue. Then you have to give your academic details. So your roll number, qualifying examination, whether 11th pass, medium of study in HSC, then your board. If it is CBSE, then you have to select CBSE here, and you can see all the other state boards here. And if your board is not available in the list, then you can select the others and you can go ahead. Then pass out year, then your HSC group, is it academic or vocational, then you have to click on the continue. Then you have to enter your marks. So your language, automatically your subject code will be filled here, then your obtained marks, and then month and year of passing and number of attempts. So you can see the subject list. So your subject 1, I studied biology, then your subject 2, and then your marks obtained, then your subject 3, and then your marks obtained in that, and then your subject 4, I studied Hindi here, so Hindi core, and your marks. So your marks will be displayed here, and then you have to give preview and submit. So you will see your application preview, your personal information, then marks information, and then your particular checklist to be verified. You have to click on the accept button. So your application is completed by that. So then you have to choose your college and course selection. So your college district, you have to select Chennai, and then your college presidency. Then your medium, for which medium you want to study in presidency, and which shift, for example shift 1, and your course, for example BA English. You can also add courses here. You can add as much as you want. So you can apply for many courses at a time. Then you can see the total amount, like 50 rupees. When you click on submit, your application submitted successfully. Then you have to go to the dashboard. Then you have to make the payment. So when you click on the payment, so you will see your application number, name of candidate, email ID, mobile number, application fees. And then you have to select the payment gateway. When you click on the pay, you will see this application. So make sure to take screenshot of this as well. Then you click on confirm and pay. You will see this. So you just have to make the payment. So after making successful payment, you will see the download and print application. So if you click on that, you will see your application, and you take screenshot of that, or you can download it, or you can print it. So this is how you have to apply to Presidency College, and this is how you have to fill the application form step by step. Please check your application form twice or thrice before making the application fee, because you cannot edit your application form afterwards. So make sure that you fill your application form carefully. So this is how you have to fill the application for undergraduate program of Presidency College. And if they release any official notice about PGU programs, then I will definitely update you guys. So that's it guys for today's video. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you did, then please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content. And thank you so much guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.